The people them never walk up on Bounty Killa or the Barclays. The people them tired and them want got him here, and it was bad organization by the people them were put on the event. Bounty Killa should have never been the headliner for that event. Should have never, because it's a younger audience. Bounty Killa is an older man, so that was not his audience per se. The people them go there to see Alkaline. Bounty Killa should have been somewhere along the lines where Mr. Vegas and Elephant Man. Bounty Killa should have never been the last act for the night.
Yeah, I'm here the headliner. I don't know the one in the headliner.
Alright, it's no official. We have two delusional fans in dancehall. Alright. The brother here say, the people them now walk out on Bounty. They were just tired. And the show was not properly organized. What? Brother, what you say? The people them left when they see the artists, bro. They walk out because they don't want to see Bounty, bro. It's the same shit. What are you saying, bro? Why? Yo, me tell you say, you know. Yo, Father God. Alright, when you say the Alkaline fans are delusional. But you guys are also delusional. Because you paint a picture now for making it look bad for your artist. You say Bounty should have never headline a show. But you still see where you laugh off of Alkaline and say, yo, Alkaline. Where you say, yo, Bounty a headline Alkaline show. Alkaline and a headliner, this, that. So why you don't want to make it look like say? Yo, brother, I tell you, say, you know, the delusional, you know, bro. Yo, really and truly. I'm really meant it. So, the people did not walk out on Bounty. They were just tired. So what they do? Not still walk out? What they do? Fly out? What the fuck you need that? Yo, where they get that eat that from? If they not walk out, what they do? Fly out? Brother, the people then leave. Regardless of what the situation is. You see the thing when I try paint for say, yo, Alkaline have the power. But you said it in the same video you do. Alkaline should have been the headliner, because after Alkaline, them see Alkaline, them just want to leave. So we are trying to say, brother. Yo, everybody, yo. Delusion. Yo. This is the Ugly Truth Podcast.
Sorry for burst on a bubble, but no crowd never walk out by no killer. The show was coming to an end and people started to leave. Me say when me see some little boy upon the media when me know don't have two good underpants in their name, and some girl when me know say for them jazz are the official goal in it for the World Cup, want size up with greatness. That is my biggest pet peeve about social media. You don't think gonna phone I got ever bring on the greatness with them and the hard work bring them. Uno can't get me if you denounce the man we're responsible for 90% of dancehall talent today. For a man we never bust a soul yet. You understand? Yeah, man, you have to stay now on a lane, man. Stay now on a lane. You can tell your grandfather and grandmother for and tell you when you can tap on your grandparents for and tell you about when Jamaica was a better place. You can't tap them, so you want to tap the general for and talk if you feel for talk. You can't ground that and them go forever talk. And you see, as long as show keep in a dance hall, you go always get show. Believe it.
Alright. So this is one you know. This is one I say the show was coming to an end. So the people left. Yo, may I ask you a question? All of you ever go to a party, go for see one of the artists or the entertainer. Just some look up, Ray go on, something go on. Whether show one lock off or not, one or do. Whether you make show go on and Valiant not get for perform, what we fans do? Then turn up in that and then start sing Valiant song. And then stay so bumps and go to a parking let Valiant have a perform for them. So what you say, brother? When fans go for see the artists them perform, bro, they never go for see Bounty. You need to get that delusion out on the head. You see, one need to get Alkaline is not Alkaline fans him. It's not the only delusional fans, bro. You need to get that out on the head. Say Alkaline fan and delusion. On delusional to kind of try paint a picture like say Bounty. No get what happened to him, bro. The fans them just wasn't having it. See, Mr. Vegas come up and say, Mr. Vegas said, man, I cause this bag of bad word. He might do this bag of thing on stage. People don't want to hear that, brother. Whether Alkaline fans or not, the people them does not want to hear Killa. So you get it? Oh, so you just don't want to give Alkaline the credit, don't it? I just that, man. When the thing say too, it's too great to give him the credit to say him cause it, don't it? Dark truth. When you just say it's too great for him cause it. Him, nah man, not him cause it, man. Something else must happen. That me the thing too. But when I really listen to the clap them, me know different.
And then when I chat about the people and boo Bounty Killa, no bro. Bounty Killa was not booed. The video them did it, bro. The video them did it. Bounty Killa wasn't booed. Just like in England, when Bomba does, they lock off the mic for Vanessa Bling and the people then start boo. And if Vanessa Bling them a boo, the people them a boo whosoever lock off the mic, the production team, the promoter them, and them did I get a boo. So the same thing this with Bounty Killa now. When they cut him mic, the people then get vexed and start boo the production team, the promoter them, and them did I get the boo. So only need to stop spread false narrative. Only need to stop spread all of them foolishness, bro. You see me? Only need to stop it, man. Only can go watch back all on the video them, all on the clippings them. And when them...
Oh no. Don't cry. Oh shit. Why Killa? Don't listen to youths. Empty the place, empty on the dark.
Ah boy. So you see this one you know? I don't know where Alkaline do to him. I don't know if you ask him for a feature or drops or odds are sitting and you don't get it, so he hate is there, you know? So anything we have to do with Alkaline, you know go see the reaction there from him where you forget. The real genuine reaction. Like come and say Bounty not get booed. The people were just leaving or whatever, bro. One to know the delusion, brother. You don't live in a delusion or something. Or no delusional. Think about it. You can clearly hear the claps right here.
What them do? They lock off him mic. Usher him out. Lock off the music for the legend. Oh no. Don't cry. Oh shit. Why Killa? Don't listen to youths. Empty the place, empty on the dark.
A patron that was there said clearly, you're not for this to you them if a body walk out on him. So what are you saying, brother? When you are say, you never dead there, brother. You sit down for your coach and listen to clips and try to analyze it to fit your objectives, your sponsors. That you do, brother. Cartel give you 2 features, so yeah, man. Me know my side of my depend. Brother, I understand that, but be neutral, bro. Try to be neutral and not do this for income, bro. I don't know, probably have a different agenda still, so I can't wrong you. Do what you do. Do what please you. But don't not act like say it's a neutral. You're not neutral, bro. You obviously depend on the other side, bro. So just you see certain things, just left it alone. No review it, not talk about it. Because we know what I go come out of your mouth. You see I review millions with you and your smile was so fake. You run through the song so quick, brother. Just left certain things alone, bro. Because everybody see it, and not me alone. You see me? But this is the Ugly Truth Podcast, and I'm your host, Pillow Talk.
Boy, I don't know what I go on still about allegations. But yesterday, they never know say a Bounty Killa would that be the headliner for the show at Barclays. I mean, it's a such man. Nobody want to do the show. We don't know how true it is, but me hear that from a local source. But when I say allegations, say such man don't really want to do the show because they never know say Bounty Killa they dip on the show. So it look like they want to withdraw from half of the show. I rule 6 me there a while ago and get the call. And I say, you know what? I just put out the video and done. I don't know what my thing brawling, you know. But I tell you, say, DJ, if I show anyone go on the show. Just apologize to Killa, you're good, man. I feel like that's that.
Yo, you ever hear the saying, who laugh last, laugh the best? This is the exact definition. This a man you laugh off of Alkaline at the time, but say, yo, Alkaline, if you go apologize to Bounty, because Bounty take over the headline and know say him a headline show. So, it's all fun and games until the tables turn though. Yeah, man. That's how life come on. Just want to not plan and not prepare or not this or not that. You know, always. I'm sure something. You see, in this music business here, when I observe that man has always been humble and easy at them terrorize him, you know, a Bounty this him, you know. Me see Aishana go up on stage and with a plaque with Bounty and sit down in her face. And I see my Aishana sit down on table and have food. I carry the yard. Nothing no go on. Iman Cartel and Aishana, good you know. But I just show you life stay. Alkaline till you go suck your mother, so that is the biggest this you could ever get. No. You I tell you say life is fucked up. Think about it. A girls take a plaque, sit down in your face. Not even that. Alright. We can't tell this is wicked upon tracks. Will forever be there. Remember say Alkaline this say in your DM now, you can make it public, you know. You this man public and him this a private. And you make it public. And then now you make it seems like say you're something great. You should have never ever do you. You see your life go? Can't tell you. It's crazy. Just think about it. Now we have something different for say, you know, the script flip. Allow the youth alone, make the youth do him thing. Him a do him thing. Allow him. Stop hate on the youth, because he's not trouble, you know. That's it. I'm your host, Pilota.